Snowtex is one of the renowned export-oriented, diversified and integrated apparel manufacturer in Bangladesh, mastering the trade for the last 20 years. Snowtex came to its existence in the year 1998 as a buying house. The confidence earned resulted in a joint venture and the Snowtex Apparel Limited in 2005. The strong and steady leadership resulted in the second factory Cut and Sew in 2008. With the pace of modern manufacturing, it's built a green lead factory as Snowtex Outerwear Limited with Gold Standard LEED certification. Our commitment and standard to our valued customer has necessitated the development of the fourth green garments manufacturing industry as Snowtex Sportswear Limited that is going to start its operation in the first quarter of 2019. Now, Snowtex is a family of more than 11,000 dynamic members and it will cross 18,000 in 2020. With more than 11,000 human resources, 5,400 machines, 1.3 million standard hours per month production capacity and $150 million yearly turnover, Snowtex is a prominent name among apparel manufacturing industry. The organization has attracted talented personnel with diverse ideas and innovation from the entire nation. The key words behind Snowtex is honesty and commitment. Our strength is our commitment, integrity and quality to our valued customers and to each other. Being an eco-friendly manufacturing, the facility has achieved some phenomenal achievements. Using of world-class power generation, utility system and highly efficient lighting system to reduce the carbon emission 85%. Snowtex is equipped with world's best advanced technology machineries with very low power consumption, semi-automated and low noise pollution. All the machines, both heavy and light, have the inverter drive servo control technology and the power consumption saving up to 42% annually. The architectural design and lighter color interlocking paving blocks reduce heat emission around the factory by 90%. Using of 0% CFC-based VRF air conditioning system reduce the ozone depletion that lead to global warming. The 45 kilowatt on-grid solar power can avoid the carbon emission approximately by 120 kg per day. The advanced water treatment plant purifies the water to provide hygienic drinking water for all occupants. It has its own lab where has the facility to inspect and test every item of the garments as well as cooked foods prior to serving to our partners. And fabric and accessories are inspected here before storage in the store. Each and every section of factory like cutting, sewing, finishing, printing, embroidery, sample, CAD and quilting has been well equipped by branded machineries. 75,000 square feet vast, organized warehouse can be used for large amount of fabric, accessories and finished goods. The facility offers a medical care center with in-house doctor, separate prayer rooms for male and female, daycare center for the children with amusement and nursing facility. The organization provides quality lunch for its 8,000 plus employees on a daily basis, completely free of charge, that gives our employees more satisfaction. Its strong security force and system keep the asset safe and secured. Snowtex has a wide range of customers around the globe, which includes but not limited to producing the global products like different styles of jackets, sportswear, casual wear, and bottom for reputed brands labels. Because of its outstanding performance, it has achieved a lot of certification like RAP, WCA, BSCI, SEDEX, GSV, CTPAT, Decathlon, OCS, Oikotex, RDS, RFID, Accord and Alliance, LEED Gold Certificate by the US Green Building Council, Good Practice Award by ILO, Health and Safety Award from Ministry of Labour and Employment, Factory of the Year Award from Burn Apparels in the last 7 consecutive years, Best Improved Factory Award by Alpha Broda, Southeast Bank Green Award, Best Practice Award by RMG Times, etc. The management of Snowtex does not overlook any factor practicing of positive and good attitude to achieve the goal. It provides Zero Defects Operator Reward to eliminate defects and measure progress. To encourage attendance and discourage absence, it furnishes attendance bonus. It pays the salary on the last day of the current month. Continuous improvement is a great motto of Snowtex by streamlining of manufacturing processes, upgrading new method, technology and attachments, maintaining 5S, Kaizen, sewing and quality SOP every day. It works based on a goal of 5 years project by implementing its axis regularly to reach the destination. It always ensures safety measures to save our employees. We have sufficient assembly area for all employees to be assembled during emergency. All foods are prepared in the hygienic kitchen, and hygienic sanitary napkin with subsidy are served to consider health safety of our female employees. Monthly magazine is published directly participated by our employees from all levels. Snowtex also endorses some good practices like skill development training for staff and worker, sports and co-curricular activities for all. New innovation by employees is highly appreciated here with esteem, honor and rewards. All is equal is a loving belief of Snowtex. It considers all in same honor. So on, enjoy same lunch from top to bottom in same place. Through the national and international print and electronic media, it is coming to air for the architectural phenomenon and workers' satisfaction. For the amusement and relief monotony of Snowtex family members, it arranges refreshment and picnic programs monthly and yearly. Snowtex's mission is to develop long-term relationship with its partners, customers and suppliers, and workforce. Snowtex always works for the fairness of all employees, society, and country.